So hey, now let's talk about how you can make your token on Matic. When I say token means cryptocurrency, so you could make your cryptocurrencies on any of the chains. The code would be same. The main, so you can use the same code and make token on any of the chains. You can use BSC chain or you can deploy on Ethereum. So for this purpose of this video, I be using testnet to deploy on your Matic. Cool. So I already make this repo. It's public repo, and you can get the code for the token from here. It's a really simple token with have some basic functionality of balance of transfer functions and everything. So let's just copy this from here, and let's go to this remix.ethereum.org and paste it right over here. So once you do paste it right over here, you need to change couple of parameters, couple of things. First thing first, you can change the name. So I just change, I have the name of Ankush and symbol of ANK and the decimals of 18 means it can people can transfer the decimals to percent of 0.00 to 18 point something, right? So for the current price, you can increase this to maybe like a couple of more zeros, and yeah, that's the thing. Now let's go ahead and let's compile the contract. It's compiled successfully. Maybe if you saw some sort of error while compiling the file, or maybe a warning, just maybe replace this balance of function to view, right? So then the warning which should be gone, and you can even add the comment at the top. So yeah, now once you compile that up, now it's a time to deploy the function, deploy the contract. Now for the deployment purposes, I be using injected web3. So I need to plug your MetaMask. So once you plug this up, it's gonna automatically detect your balance, or previously if you essentially use this website. If you don't, you can connect the wallet. So let me just share with you the really beginning. Let me just disconnect from here. Let's just disconnect from here, disconnect and disconnect. Yep. So again, open up this. You can open up this pop-up, and let's just select the first account. Next, connect. Now it's connected. Now it's gonna fetch your balance. So I have 7.9 Matic, and so cool. Now let's just deploy this. Once you deploy this up, you're gonna present the screen. So let's go to edit, and let's just fix the gas price, make it high, and save, and then confirm. Yep, confirmed. And it's deployed. So once you deploy, you will see there's a section of deployed contract, and you will see your contract right over here. Now once you deployed, you will see there's a contract address, right? So let's just copy this from here and go to your MetaMask, and now over here let's just import this. So add this token. It's gonna automatically fetch your symbol and your decimals. Add this custom token and import this. Now the way I have this tokens with myself is because I ran this message.sender right somewhere around here, right? Message.sender equal total supply. So the person who deployed the contract has total supply. So let's say if I just essentially copy my wallet address and paste it right over here, call it, gonna see the entire I would say supply is on my wallet. So now let's see this on your Mumbai. So let's go to Mumbai and just add your contract address right over here, and you will see the contract has just been created in almost a 1 minute ago. Once you do that, then we need to essentially provide liquidity to this token, right? Because now there is no use of this token, right? No one knows about a token, right? So by providing liquidity, we can essentially set up the price for the token, right? So let's do this. So first thing first, let's go on to Uniswap. So there are two websites. So if you deploy a contract on I would say on BSC, on Binance Smart Chain, you need to use PancakeSwap. But for those of you who in our case, it deployed on Ethereum, or Ethereum, and or maybe, or I'd say Matic. So we be using Uniswap or uniswap.com. And let's open up this, and let's launch the tab. And it's showing me that I already been connected. So just connect your account over here and go to this pool section. So we be using your version 3. We don't have we can also use version 2 by adding this parameter, or by adding /v2, but let's go ahead with version 3 now. Let's click on add new position, and now you need to select your token. So from here, just provide and add your token address, contact address. Let's copy this from here and paste it right over here. It automatically fetches your token. So let's import this from here. It's just gonna give you a warning that it just came from an unknown source. Let's import this up. Once you import that, there's a lot of sections, so let's just stay with the, I think, 1%, right? So now I need to set the current price for our matrix. Let's say we can set this to maybe like, and now let's see, set the minimum price and the maximum price. So let's just keep this to maybe like 8,000. What? Yeah. So let's just move ahead and just see your, let's just do this with, I would say, for almost all tokens. So we have, let's just give this to maybe like for 5,000 tokens, and add this to maybe like 4, and let's just give this to be maybe like 5 or something like that, and let's give this 6, or maybe like 5, right? Approve. ANK is gonna open this MetaMask notification, and now I need to add. Now it's essentially asking the permission to access your ANC token. Let's just confirm this up. It's showing is pending right over here. Confirmed. Click on preview. So now I can add liquidity. Let's click on add. Again, open up a MetaMask notification. Then we need to essentially, let's just click on this high, save, and confirm. So previous transaction has been completed successfully. Now this one is pending. Confirmed. So once that's done, you will see it's confirmed from your end. Now you have added your liquidity. So let's just see. Now it's confirmed. Now let's just close this, and you will see the section of your liquidity token. So we have this minimum of this, and maximum of this amount of ANC token per matic, right? So let's just go ahead and see how it goes. Let's just add maybe like 1 matic and select the token which we have, ANC token. It's gonna fetch Now it's gonna show us that it's gonna be affecting minus 42% on the price impact. That's why we are not going to be doing the swap now. So let's say very less tokens, let's say 0.003, something like that, right? Now it's gonna showing us the token. So let's click on swap, and we can easily swap the token. That's how you can able to add liquidity and add the price, initial price, to your token. Also extra tip, if you want to add the logo to your token, just go to this website of polyscan.com/token update. If you want to deploy on Etherscan, just replace this Polygon scan to Etherscan, and for BSC scan, you just do the same thing. So every time this endpoint would be same token update, and now over here to add your contract address, and then you can easily customize and add logo to your token, right? That's a quick tip, and I hope this video makes sense. I also provide the contract and the source code for this entire token in the description below. So that's all. I will see you in the next video.